Okay, number 3 in the camera, number 3, pull up, let's do it.
Roger that.
There you go. Okay, a little nose down to get some speed. There you go. That's good. Perfect. Okay, a little bit of right stick. A little bit of right stick to level our wings. Tighten up your belly and straight back. Start pulling. Pull. Lights on. Here we go. There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay, roll out right. Roll out right. Really hard right. Okay, now pull your nose up, real gentle, we don't have much speed, hold your nose up, a little bit more, a little bit more. Now go left. There you go. There you go. Okay, right stick, keep that pull on, pull up, pull, right there, no, just like right there, pull up, keep pulling. There you go, very nice. Still see him there? Yep. Okay, just ease it right here. Just hold it together. So that's it. There you go. Ready? Just gonna get some G. Okay, start pulling. You gotta look up at him. Nice. Okay, keep the stick coming back towards your belly. There you go. That's good. Keep it coming back. See how we're working behind him right there? Yeah. We're getting behind him. We're getting there. Okay, ease it forward just a little bit. Now start pulling up. Nope, don't go that way, just right here, right there. There you go. Get ready on your trigger. Squeeze it. There you go. Good smoke, knock it off. Good kill, that's a kill.
Roger that.
Your smoke is still on. There you go. I got the airplane?
Got it.
Okay, we're at your left 9.
Nice.
Do that. Good job. Very nice. Very nice.
That's good.
Good. That was very good. You did a nice job. They're going to be on our right side this time.
Nice,
nice job. Now you notice how I was describing where you have to be patient and kind of let everything develop. All right, you ready for another one?